starting to prep some of the food for tomorrow's tea party, so I thought I'd share with you what I'm preparing. So first of all, I have a spiral ham. Just pulled that out of the freezer. I have scallops for an appetizer. I have shrimp for an appetizer. Then I have 2 bags of ringettes that are going to be for the main course. In addition to that, I'm prepping several types of sandwiches. I have some eggs. I have different types of bread, white, wheat. This is a multigrain, and then I have these wraps, so I'm going to do some wrap sandwiches as well. Breast and turkey breast for some of the rolled sandwiches. Chicken salad, egg salad. I'm going to do a buffalo chicken wrap, and then a turkey and Swiss roll up with pesto mayo. So that should be really little Dijon mustard, mayo, some sweet pickle relish, and a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna add, I would say, about a tablespoon and a half of onion, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 of a cup of relish, and salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. And mayo. Mayo, about dish. I have some scallops. These are sea scallop packages. So I had 2 of those. So I have 2 pounds. Rinsed them, and those are ready to go. Here I have a 1 pound pack of bacon, pork bacon. And take that, and we're just gonna, I'm gonna go about just some toothpicks. Okay, and I'm gonna just do it like an assembly line. I'm gonna spray down my pan. Spray down my pan with a little non-stick spray. And then I'm just gonna take a little small piece of bacon, take a scallop, and that's why I cut some a little bigger and some a little smaller. So it was a good thing that I did that. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna take that scallop and wrap them all the way around and put a toothpick to hold it. Very simple. Okay, I just wanted to come back and quickly show you what this is looking like. All of the scallops are now wrapped. 2 pounds of scallops and 1.5 pounds of bacon. So that appetizer is now ready, and I'm going to move on to the next one. Next, I'm gonna make 2 quick spreads for my sandwiches. So I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons of mayo, and then here I have vanilla pesto. So I'm gonna take an equal amount of the pesto, and it's going to be like a pesto mayo. Delicious. Take equal amounts of hot sauce, and this is a very spicy homemade hot sauce. It comes from a local restaurant. Buffalo chicken wrap, a tablespoon of, or maybe a little more of this Texas Pete hot sauce, and the heat is very similar to like a Frank's Red Hot. It's not very hot, it just adds a lot of flavor. Perfect. These two are pre-ready. I won't make the sandwiches until tomorrow because I don't want them to be soggy. Okay, for my next dish, I went on and did a little bit of assembly off camera just to make my life easier. And what I'm gonna do next is, because I don't have no more salad dressing, which is what I like to use as a marinade, is the zesty Italian salad dressing. So I'm just gonna have to make my own with some seasoning. Let's do a little onion powder, and all of this is to taste, like I always say. A little garlic powder. I have a little bit of Italian seasoning, and I'm not going to use very much of that. A little bit of black pepper, and I'm going to do just a tiny little bit of red pepper flake. Yeah, I did say that was a tiny little bit. Okay, I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of oil on this, and I'd say maybe about a tablespoon or two, and just a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna work all of those seasonings in there over all of our shrimp. Make sure everything is evenly coated. I took these skewers off camera and I cut them to about a little more than half, maybe 3/4 the size, because I want them more of a cocktail size. So I'm gonna take just a little onion and pepper and 2 to 3 shrimp per skewer. The next appetizer is now completed. Cocktail shrimp skewers marinated in Italian dressing and spices. So this is now ready to go in the fridge, and tomorrow I will put that in the oven as well.
The hostess of the event. Woo! Bitch! Swirl, girl, swirl. Yes, Diva, yes. Yes, baby.
Yes, y'all. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures with Courtney. Come on. My girls are here for the afternoon tea party, and they are giving you everything. Do you see these beautiful floral dresses with the matching hats? With all the fabulousness, they are giving it up. Model dresses, ladies. Yes.
Everybody, let's do that spin.
Let's give me a twirl, ladies. Give me a twirl, because we are fabulous. Yes, yes.